want this video to also go to Father
Ofeke Dibia.
I want this video to also go to Ebuka Obi and the so many pastors here, mention their names. I want them to see this challenge. Let them accept it. Let us throw a challenge with Ndibia and Mbaka. What about the Amomano? Only Amomano said on a job. I am throwing a challenge to you people. Send the earlier pastor and then I job for your own benefit. This is the reason why you get away here. All other one Mazi Dibia. After Moses Igalo, Ebuka Muonso. You go to see where we are, my brother. I need a home time.
Have you watched the video? Let me pray. This challenge, I've been saying it over many years. Even last 2 months, I was in the East. Mazi Dibia threw the challenge. But every time they see me, they run away. So by this time, Mazi Dibia and NMIRI Eweilo boss unknown. I have gone back to Lagos, but put a date and make a venue. I'll be there live. Even if all the pastors run away from this physical challenge, healing challenge, and I worry and I will take it. Because Anambra State, I am the liberator of Igbo. Anambra liberational prophet who destroyed power of Ofeke. NMIRI Eweilo have been running away from this challenge over 5 years. So thank God this is coming out from your mouth. I am not Jerome. I am not Ebube Muonso. I am not Ebuka Obi. I am Prophet Yahweh, the spiritual warlord. So I have accepted your challenge. People have been tagging me. So if I did not take this into look, I was afraid of you. No. Somebody must prove this. So if Ebube Muonso is afraid of you guys, I am not afraid of any native doctor because I trust my power. Okay? So let us do it by the time of Elijah and then the bow. So I'm looking for one of the videos. I want to play one of the old challenge before. I have accepted your popular challenge. I can't watch you people. Yeah, I have accepted your popular challenge. I can't watch you people destroy Igbo youths in the name of freedom women and let's tell about the kingdom. Mazi Dibia see. Anambra State. I will pick him alongside myself. Then even if they let us line 1,000 strangers. After 3 hours, let us record with error and with accuracy. I'm here to destroy somebody and your Arabrago na Ipupo. Why the joker? I call to Elijah and the Amabalis where my right. Who I am the Akana Nakita. I am about to see you go now one. From Piana Kamas that then Mazi Dibia and NMIRI Eweilo, who are you to challenge? Chukwuka Dibia, Almighty Yahweh, have accepted your healing challenge. Big event and big event. If I did not heal more than your Arablago and Samari, let Governor Soludo close my church and jail me. But if I heal more than you people, they will jail you. Asinade sigu bongo, ande sigo mi bu bongo niwe ogudeke.
If your name is Maria, you're sick.
Now, quick one. Please help me to share this video. Tag NMIRI Eweilo and tag Mazi Dibia. You have been making noise for many years. Anytime you hear my name, you run away. If you're not a coward, NMIRI Eweilo pick a date and pick a venue. If you're not a coward, Mazi Dibia, pick a date and pick a venue. Anambra liberational prophet, the most powerful prophet in the world, 1.16 million angels. NMIRI Eweilo, challenge. After this challenge, Samaria again, Anambra State. You know I did not come. I am not. Why I'm taking this challenge? Because I paid to came at Yahsua and Chibo, and I will come use the shine. This time I am ready. Last time Mazi Dibia is making noise, and when I made the video, he never replied. But this one now is flesh. Me don't say any pastor. I mention names. They don't mention my name because they are afraid of me. Why you not mentioning my name? You know I am the most powerful prophet in Anambra State, in Igbo, in Africa, the spiritual world. The man will you turn put a date and put a venue, and the governor of Anambra State will sign it. Agune Chamber will sign it. No, Bruna. David Yahweh hear more people than Mbaka Eweilo and the Mazi Dibia. You will never operate in Anambra State again. If you people hear more than me, let them jail me, and I will not operate in Anambra State again. But if I hear more than you people, they will jail you, Mbaka Eweilo and the Mazi Dibia. I will never operate in Anambra State again, because this noise has to end. I'm spiritual world. Onye siri Igbo bongo, akwa ọkọkwete nọ na-eme. Onye siri Igbo bongo, ezu obi kwete nọ na-eme. Onye siri Igbo bongo, Mbaka Eweilo kwete nọ na-eme. You know, when I akwa gị before I learn. But this time, iji ọnụ were kote okwu. Asị m ịkpatara nkọ ha si mgbere ọrịa. If I did not take this challenge, it will look like Matthias and the Chibo and that fake prophet. I don't want any pastor to come out on this. If your name are not mentioned, don't come out on this. I don't want any pastor that can never prove 50 miracles to come out on this. Those people that put their name, Mbaka, Ebube Muonso, Ebuka Obi, Odumije, if they will not take this challenge, I'm here to take it because I know they will not take it. I don't want one Ofeke pastor to come out, they challenge Mbaka Eweilo, and I don't want Mbaka Eweilo. This will not be like the return of Jerome. I am not Jerome. My name is Prophet Chukwuka Dibia. Anambra Liberational Prophet. Obu na mbo so na di challenge. If I come to Anambra say I'm a prophet, say Burum Boshie, close my church. That is, we must sign it. This challenge must be signed. If I defeat Mbaka Eweilo, I hear more people than Mbaka Eweilo. I got walk the way to walk. Mbaka Eweilo is a chief of all of Ogona. Eba Kijakago. Back somebody up. Somebody I've been waiting for you. You'll be talking nonsense about Nollywood. You'll be talking nonsense about people. Is you somebody? Is you Omen and Igbo? I'm coming for you. Thank God, I wanted to reply to you here and I say, Nollywood do Mbaka Eweilo have done more evil than Nollywood people. Mbaka Eweilo have killed more people than Nollywood people. I can prove it to you. He said you are very stupid. You people put challenges. I'm very stupid. What is stupid here? Somebody put challenge. What you have to do, tag your useless Mbaka Eweilo to pick a date and pick a value. You come here, don't come here like that nonsense here. Cheesy. So you think Mbaka Eweilo come and brag or keep quiet? I am not Ebube Muonso. I'm working with the power of Yahweh. See, listen. Genti. Me and Ebube Muonso are watching the same God. Me and Odumije know they watching the same God. Me and Ebuka Obi know they watching the same God. Me and what do you call it? Mbaka know they watching the same God. Only man are watching the same God. Man saying Nande Kano Yahweh Elohim. So you know that thing. I don't know about them. But this challenge, I get a tutorial on Anambra State. Abu ni mani Igbo Ebu Dibia. Iya ina eme na abu sibote ndị arụ adụrọ because so ebe abụ the main thing. Ihe hekere ndị Ebu Dibia da agwọ ya. Nke a bụrụ onye osena abụ ifo Igbo ama nonsense. Ihe a na-ekwu ibucha dị ama egwu ọdọ ya afụ n'anya. Agbata onye bụ cancer. Agbata onye nwere kidney problem. Agbata onye bụ HIV. Agbata onye nwere fibroid. Agbata onye nwere onye ule. Agbata many sickness. Aga na agwọ dị ọya na confirm ya life and dilate. And this challenge will be taking place in Eagle Square. Okay? I pick a venue, pick a date. Since you have called for the challenge, so I will tell you where. So I have opened the image Hana. If you Udo Gachi get seen at that Eagle Square, now gonna go Mbaka Eweilo and buy your dilate. So if you be cargo, take the challenge. I would. I'm end the walk on Anambra State. Yes. If this time again, I will prove it. That was 2022, 5 years ago, 3 years ago. I'll still prove it now. So pick a date. If I allow you people, many people don't get power. If somebody have done more evil than any Okite. Just Okite, because we are talking about Okite, Mabata John Okite. You have done more evil than my Poko. You have destroyed Ebola and cut it and send it to you. You think you are talking to a fool? Do you know a moment water before me? Do you know spiritual before me? This is my 35 years in spirituality. We are the first Sabbath church in Ibuku. I watch it. My father watched me about those marine kingdoms. So nothing is there. That's why I enjoy matter now. Mama water na very good the same thing. You can do Ebuka Obi in a child about it. You can mbaka na child about it. Bemonso na child about it. Mama about it. I know they do for member. I know they do for church. If you not defeat me for healing, let them bomb my church. You know, say God no call me. If I defeat you people, you know, say so please, I would like you to share this telecast all over the whole world. We have been able to. I have been able to conquer Okite. No be Soludo power. No be anybody power. I fight Okite to stand still. Before Soludo came out to start arrest. Without arrest, him and Akwa don't finish already. Without arrest, him and just don't finish already. So arrest is just medicine after date, which is part of it. But I don't wish them away. I wanted to, like you watch Zion now. Ebuka Obi Zion going to appear if they see my video, and then they make nonsense again because I'll give them mark. Because when I fight Okite finish, Ebuka Obi want to come and claim power. With all your gangsters in J-Park, and then they join them. Created Zion Media World. When you have Kawasia house. Today, Ebuka Obi have known that you are doing LNG. So if Ebuka Obi, if you claim you have power, this is how to come and prove to us that you're not doing LNG. Yes. Give Ebuka Obi 100 people. Give Bemonso 100 people. Give the Yahweh 200. Give Mazi Dibia 100 people. Give NMIRI Eweilo 100 people. Let us see them with doctor's reports. I say 1 month. No, nah. Confirm. And you have 3 days. I got no check man. So after 7 days, I got results. Kamarizie onye nwere power. Kamara onye ji ofo Chukwu. Kamara onye na control. Abure ebe na save no man. Say stop mentioning the name of Zion. You know here how did they mention your name of the Zion? Who is Zion? Are you a Zion? In Hayara? In the crazy, it didn't say Zion. You're a Zion or Satan. Okay, Kwabogo, Ebuka, I'm going to approve for that power now. Native doctor is calling your this thing. And I go do like say no see am. You know, they cast nonsense. Chineke. You know they see when native doctor they challenge your useless pastor. Yeah, but if he cares, you never hear like. Hear them.
I want this video to go to Rev Muonso. I want this video to also go to Father Mbaka. I want this video to also go to Ebuka Obi and the so many pastors here, man.
Okay.
Mention their names. I want them to see this challenge. Let them accept it.
Okay, now I want this video to also go to Ebuka Obi and so many pastors. Okay, no, that there. Then Ebuka Obi should come out and take this challenge. Because when I fight everybody now begin to talk about okay, everybody now have power. But all the Oslu will be going now, all of you will long. The time of Joron long. When see, let me tell you, person that is worshiping Mama Water will perceive somebody that worshiping Mary. The only power that will conquer Mama Water and conquer Mary is Yahweh, Chukwuka or more. Ajomo na bosso, Okot na bosso, Alosi na bosso, Ezewai na bosso. Why do you think anytime they hear my name, they will run away? Remember this video? They have made this challenge last month. I come out. All of them went mates. After say Mazi Dibia, Jena Sabbath na go. Instead of to take challenge, Jena Sabbath na go to command Fraj. Now I have gone back to Lagos. Immediately I come back to Lagos. Mazi Dibia funa made a live video for Lagos. Video say challenge be Ebube Muonso no know when. One maybe it's okay, maybe na okay every day. No call me, no. Onye butere okay be mad. Are you mad? You're insane. This na Yahweh be ekwensu. Yes, we agree. Then we use that to ekwensu to challenge me. Kamarize na Yahweh be ekwensu kobuchu. Yes, case closed. Mazi Dibia, this na Yahweh be ekwensu. This is the time to prove to us that your power is bigger than Yahweh. This is the time to prove to us that your power is bigger than Mazi. If you not defeat me, make them jail me. and then close my church. If I defeat you people, they will jail you people. Samari, Mazi Dibia boss and see this year. Samari have ended this year. Samari, they ended this year. Except he did not take the challenge. But he is logo working. He trust Ribubogu. Ni Kalaka no gonna I don't say Kalaka. Come. I had a wearing. I don't need anybody to assist me. Two of you. You are the Mazi Dibia. Look when I gather that on this thing come out. I can come alone. I don't need anybody to assist me. I'm one spiritual world. The man 1.16 million angel. When I fought at work and all of you, no pastor supported me. It's only me that did it. I'm here to prove it again. Without the help of Ebuka Obi or mbaka or Odumije, I don't need anybody help. I will come and prove it myself. I don't want any Ofeke pastor to come out on this challenge. Let it not be like Matthias and the Shibo, one useless pastor. If we challenge a one, NMIRI Eweilo, pick a date and pick a venue. And I suggest this venue, this program will happen in Oka, Eagle Square, where there is security. So happy birthday on and walk. God bless you. Share the telecast. I see the man, the more powerful prophet in the world, 1.16 million angel. The first man who healed on the street and he healed on telecast. I've healed millions of people online. They pray, they show. He can't do another. Somebody is powerless. He's afraid of me. You watch, you see them. They can never take this challenge. But dare me, Mazi Dibia and the NMIRI Eweilo. Dare me. I'm by on clear. I have finished with Veda Black Man. I have finished with Ebuka Obi. This time, I am going to face NMIRI Eweilo and Mazi Dibia. Yes. So, please, I would like you to share the telecast. Thank you very much. Let me play this song and to entertain you. I'm in my some hotel in Lagos. That's it. My some hotel. So I cannot pray with a very big sound, but I may just play this. Anyị batala na mbala kwa mgbirimgba bọọsụ iburu ike mgbirimgba David Yahweh kwa mgbirimgba na-agwọ ya mgbirimgba Chukwuka dibịa kwa mgbirimgba na-enye ego anyị batala n'ugwu kwa mgbirimgba bọọsụ iburu ike Chukwuka dibịa ịmanakari mmadụ karịa n'ụmụọlị asị na dị esi ibu bongo nwanne esi gomi ibu bongo n'ihe obodo ekwerugo mgbịrịmgba ite ego share the telecast. God bless you. My mama tell me say, my papa tell me say, all the brothers, please share this telecast. God bless you. I have accepted the challenge. The same way into back walk I walk. I'm a back NMIRI and the some of them are by 2026. Kwamberimba boys, Burike. Kwamberimba Enugu State, Burike. Kwamberimba boys, Burike. Kwamberimba Naba, Burike. Kwamberimba Burike. Kwamberimba na boya. Kwamberimba na nyego. Kwamberimba na nyego. This is not from anti-prophetic movement. We have come to evangelize all over the whole world. This is our city here in the nation. We have come. The man that destroyed the port of Ofeke, I have 1.60 million angels. In my chambers are one of the here. The man who God sent to deliver people from all of darkness and from death of Satan and
and from Marine Kingdoms, we have come to tear down and to put out and to set the children of God free from evil powers. And so tell you what I said, there was in here.
Chukwuka Dibia, Emana Kalimado Karano Mone, Asina de Sigo Bongo, Mande Sigo Migo Bongo, Obey, Murimba Itego, Murimba, 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 my mama tell me say, Murimba, my papa tell me say, Chukwuka Dibia, Yahweh, Chukwuka Dibia, I need you to know Granny's your form. Okaramado, Okaramado, Jehovah, Buningo Menu, Chukwuka Dibia, Dumeje, Edupano Mana, I don't matter what you know of a boy. I'm with you, I'm one of my soul. There's a one in a one of my soul. You got a zoo from our soul. Chukwuka Dibia, carrying your Karane question over the way. Where am I? My mama tell me say, my papa tell me say, I'm more spiritual world. The more powerful prophet in the world. 1.6 million. God bless you. Share the telecast. NMIRI Eweilo and the Mazi Dibia don't long this time. Mapia winners. Maba somebody oko the same way. Njoba kwa kito spiritual control physical. Omwa spiritual world. And the powerful prophet in the world. Anambra the Liberational prophet. Share the telecast.